Teamwork makes the dream work. In the vibrant village of Anandpur, there was an annual kite festival that everyone looked forward to. The festival wasn't just about flying kites but also a grand competition where teams worked together to create the biggest and most colorful kite. The winners would earn the Sky Masters trophy and bragging rights for the year. This year, the competition rules had one twist: each kite had to be made by a team of 5. Excitement buzzed through the village as children and adults formed groups, each dreaming of taking home the trophy. In one corner of the village, a group of 5 friends came together: Raj, a creative artist; Priya, a perfectionist; Samir, who was known for his big ideas; Meena, an excellent organizer; and little Arjun, who was curious and full of energy. At their first meeting, they all started talking at once. "I think the kite should be yellow with stars," said Raj. "No, it must be red and round," argued Priya. "It needs to be gigantic, bigger than anyone's," declared Samir. As the arguments continued, no decision was made, and the group disbanded for the day. The next day, the village square buzzed with the sound of scissors cutting paper, sticks being tied, and paintbrushes swirling with color. Teams were hard at work, but Raj's group was nowhere near starting. They were too busy debating whose idea was best. Feeling frustrated, Meena gathered everyone. "This isn't working. If we keep arguing, we won't even have a kite to fly." "But my idea is better," muttered Samir. "Mine is perfect," said Priya. Meena shook her head. "Listen, every one of us is good at something. Raj can design the pattern, Priya can make sure it's neat, Samir can figure out how to make it big, Arjun can bring the materials, and I'll make sure we stay on track. If we all use our strengths, we can make the best kite in the competition." The friends nodded, finally understanding. They decided to work as a team. Raj drew a stunning design, a colorful peacock with shimmering feathers. Everyone admired it. "That's beautiful," said Priya. "I'll make sure the details are neat and clean." Samir measured the bamboo sticks, ensuring the kite was big but still manageable. Arjun ran around, bringing glue, thread, and the lightest paper they could find. Meena kept them focused and reminded them to check the kite's strength and balance. After days of hard work, their kite was ready. It was enormous, vibrant, and shaped like a peacock with tail feathers that sparkled in the sunlight. On the day of the festival, the kites filled the sky, creating a dazzling display of colors and shapes. Raj and his team nervously took their kite to the flying area. "Will it fly?" whispered Arjun. "Of course, it will," said Meena confidently. With teamwork, they launched the kite. To everyone's amazement, it soared higher and higher, its peacock tail gleaming in the sun. The crowd cheered loudly as their kite stood out among all others. When the judges announced the results, their team won first place. As the friends celebrated with their trophy, Raj said, "We couldn't have done this alone." Priya nodded. "It's true. Teamwork made our dream work." From that day on, the children of Anandpur learned that working together was the key to achieving great things. Moral of the story: when everyone contributes their unique strengths and works together, even the biggest dreams can take flight. Teamwork truly makes the dream work.